In a recent interview, Yohan Blake expressed his disappointment with the lack of support from Jamaicans when he's not winning. Yohan Blake said he doesn't need Jamaican support because he's celebrated elsewhere. Yohan Blake struggles with the emotional impact of feeling unappreciated by his own country. In my opinion, this interview is heartbreaking and truly reveals his emotion. Listen to what Yohan Blake had to say.
My own country, Jamaica, doesn't give me the respect, and I'm happy they don't, because other people outside do, and they appreciate me more than my own country. So, I'm happy that I'm be able to crown elsewhere apart from Jamaica. So I'm just looking to continue doing what I'm doing until I'm happy to step away when it's time.
I hear you, and that's a shame. Has that been something that's been the case throughout your whole career?
Yeah, Jamaica love winners, and once they not win, they're not supporting you. But I don't need their support. I have my own support staff, I have my own support team.